My name is Ryan. I'm 38, a father of 2, and I've been a chef for over 20 years. Growing up on the coast, I've always had a connection to harvesting my own food. At a young age, my grandfather exposed me to fishing, prawning, crabbing, and finding everything the ocean had to offer.
Look at that bad boy.
When I got into hunting, it felt very natural to me and was an easy transition from hunting for my food in the ocean to hunting my food on land.
I love it in here, it's awesome, hey?
When I'm in the forest, I see food all around me, from mushrooms to fiddleheads to a deer. Hunting is not just about finding an animal, it's about the whole experience, being outside and searching for our food. It's so easy to go to the grocery store to buy a steak, or even vegetables for that matter. Many people now are so disconnected from their food that they don't even associate that steak with the animal that it came from. Between the monocrops that stretch for miles and the huge cattle ranges, every time we purchase these products, we are impacting wildlife and natural habitat. When I choose to take an animal's life to feed my family, it's not something I take lightly. But I'm confident that with all the preparation and planning that I do, that this is the most ethical way to harvest an animal. Between natural predators, harsh winters, and lack of food, the way that most animals meet their end in nature is much less humane than a quick kill from an ethical hunter. It's important to me that we take home every part of the animal that we can. Whether it's antlers, horns, or hide, these are the memories to share with our family and friends.
That's Mummy's deer.
But the real trophy of the hunt is the whole experience.
Mummy's first whitetail.
I'm proud to be a hunter, and I always will be.